Today, I'm excited to share with you this delicious, ultimate slow cooker meatballs recipe. So let's get started. Hey friends, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com, and thank you and welcome back to another one of our videos. So in today's video, we will be making this delicious slow cooker meatballs recipe. Now this is perfect for a Sunday meal or a midweek meal. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and chop our garlic. Once you're done chopping your garlic, go ahead and set it aside and move over to the onions. You can either chop or dice your onions. Next, set it aside and move over to the fresh herbs. I definitely recommend using fresh herbs as opposed to dry herbs because the fresh herbs will amplify the flavors. Once you are done chopping the fresh herbs, go ahead and set that aside. Now here's my trick when it comes to making meatballs. Instead of using breadcrumbs, I like to use soaked bread because it keeps the meat moist and it doesn't give it that grainy texture. So go ahead and take 1 or 2 slices of bread, depending on how much you have. For 1 pound of meat, 2 slices will be just fine. And go ahead and mix it with water. Once you're done, take your hand to mash the bread. In a large bowl, go ahead and add in the meat, the bread, your garlic and herbs, and onions. Now we are only using a portion of these ingredients just to flavor the meat, and the remaining portions will be added on to the sauce. Season it with salt and pepper. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. Please go ahead and check it out. And we also have a step-by-step photo guide on how to make this meal perfectly. We're also adding in 1 egg. This is for binding purposes. Once you're done, go ahead and use your hands to mix the meat and the ingredients together. You can also use a potato masher as well if you don't want to use your hands, or you can put on gloves. But whatever you do, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly once you are done. Now I am using an ice cream scoop to help me keep my meatballs the same size. Here's another tip that I have. I like to put olive oil on the spoon. That way it helps the meat not to stick to the spoon. Take 1 scoop of the meat and roll it in the palm of your hands. Place your meatballs in the baking tray. Bake the meatballs at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Once you're done, remove the meatballs from the tray and set it aside. Next, in your Instant Pot or slow cooker, go ahead and add in the sauce. You can either use homemade spaghetti sauce or you can use store-bought sauce. Then add in your meatballs, followed by the remaining onions. the remaining garlic, the fresh herbs, salt and pepper, paprika. We are also using red wine for this. Now this is completely optional. You do not have to use red wine if you don't want to. Just that the red wine give it a richer flavor. We're also adding in bay leaves and the rest of the spaghetti sauce. Go ahead and stir it gently. Close the lid and cook your meatballs for 3 hours. And that's it. This is ready for you to serve with your cooked pasta. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We would love for you to join our community and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!